Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use ChatGPT as a data scientist using our language. So first thing, make sure to sign up to ChatGPT and you can get the free account. And for this particular example, I think free account is good enough, right? Now the thing is, once you sign up, you will have dashboard that looks like this. Click on new chat and at the bottom you will have empty prompt. Here we will be typing in the prompt saying I want you to act as a data scientist using our language, right? We are going to give it some script writing tasks, so we will write, can you write an script that imports iris dataset, and then make sure to use ggplot to perform the visualization, where you can use the data set to draw the scatter plot, right? And with x and y axis values for sepal length and sepal width respectively, right? You can give color value green for the scatter plot, right? Script or this scenario, right? So I don't know if it can generate the plot or so. We may need any other external tool that would be using this R language input and draw the plot, but for now we can let it use this scenario and generate the script for us. So first thing, ggplot library, then comes iris dataset, then comes our code where we are drawing the scatter plot, right? And here you can see the color set to green, and it is also explaining that what is what and what is not, right? And here you see the labs function would be used to give the label. So I was wondering what this function was there, right? Apart from that, I can use the above example and instead of ggplot use the plotly library to explain the above scenario, right? So we hit enter and let's see what happens. Okay, so it is replacing the function ggplot with plotly, right? And if I want, I can also use other libraries if there are any, but the most popular one, ggplot being the one, and then there is plotly. I don't know if there are any other. In case of Python, you have like that matplotlib, plotlib, okay, then your other libraries which are kind of limited, but you have those options. So in case of plotly here, you may notice that it has explained the code as well. There are a few issues, for example this break. I think it has just scraped some data from elsewhere that kind of caused the break here, because I don't know HTML code is allowed in our script. It is definitely not. So we can ask it to, can you clean the above code and remove the HTML left over in the script and verify it against our compiler. Let's see if it does. Sure, here is cleaned up version. Okay, good up to this point, and again we are failed. Notice the BR part being used is still in. Right, so I have removed the HTML like line breaks. You can also tell it to, can you remove the BR and find the alternative in our language. Okay, so now things are pretty good to me. So everything is exactly the way I wanted. So we got the code with our script, right? So it is acting like a data scientist using our language. So this is a good prompt for you to try out. You can do this on your own as well.